Hi, I'm Patricia Braune, textile and surface designer. I create detailed, nature-inspired designs for homes and the contract industry, working with hotels, aged care and interior spaces that need both beauty and durability. And I love seeing how FHG uses my textiles to create beautiful pieces of furniture. It's a highlight. All my designs begin with pen on paper, inspired by textures and nature that I see all around me. Each of these illustrations then evolve into a pattern that become wallpaper, textiles and surfaces. My goal is to bring elegance, calm and connection to the spaces we live and work in.